Good morning, and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis by covering the crude oil market and the recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The oil-dollar pair exploded 1.9% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair rose 0.5% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 4% in the last session. The stochastic indicator's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The gold dropped 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Moving on to world financial news.
Peer-to-peer application building platform HolePunch announced the alpha launch of its encrypted video calling application called Keat, backed by stablecoin issuer Tether, crypto platform Bitfinex, and distributed systems developer Hypercore. The gap between the two leading crude oil benchmarks has widened to levels not seen since June 2019, as easing gasoline demand in the United States weighs on US crude, while tight supply supports the international Brent benchmark. US Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen said that the US economic growth is slowing, and she acknowledged the risk of a recession, but she said a downturn was not inevitable.
Thank you. And now moving on to our chief analyst pick of today's main economic events.
The US S&P Case-Shiller home price indices will be released at 1300 hours GMT. The US consumer confidence at 1400 hours GMT. The US new home sales at 1400 hours GMT. The US Red Book Index will be released at 1255 GMT. Finland's unemployment rate at 0500 hours GMT. Korea's Consumer Sentiment Index at 2100 hours GMT.